everybody, good morning. And it is day 2 of our 7-day cruise on MSC Meraviglia. We are in Oceans Cay today. If you saw from our previous videos when we were on MSC Divina, we really liked Oceans Cay. We had a nice lovely beach day there. So not sure we're going to be getting off the ship today. We're here for 2 days. So I'm going to go check out the breakfast buffet and let's see how that is. As you saw, we went down the breakfast line. Wasn't really too crowded. Seemed like the lines moved pretty good. They had a lot of selection, lots of breads, eggs, bacon, sausage, the traditional stuff that you would see. You go down the buffet, they have the traditional omelet station, so that was pretty busy, had a low line. And then they had the yogurt and oatmeal and stuff like that. And so they have tons of options. When you go down one side, you go around towards the back, it's empty, and then you go around to the other side of the buffet and it just kind of repeats. What's interesting is the coffee, they don't have as many selections of like creamers and stuff like they did on Divina. But overall, breakfast was fine. Let's go see what else we can get into. And now we are chilling out on our balcony. The mini bar had this thing called Lusa Ace. Lusa Ace. I don't know what this is. It's good. I like it. Delicious. It's very good. I don't know how many sugars is in it. Wonder how much it costs. Have you guys ever tried one of these? Lusa Ace original. I don't know if you can see that. Till we drank these. On the mini bar, it shows that they're $4.25 for one of these. And this is how many ounces? I have no idea how many ounces this is. How many ounces is that?
We're gonna go at 8. That
so
looks like a cup.
It looks like a cup. It looks actually like less than a cup, but we'll say a cup. It's okay because we're gonna order about 6 of them. We like them. Water is brisk, very brisk. It's about 80 degrees out here, so this cool water feels really good with the 80 degrees. It starts at 4.9 and goes all the way to 5.9. We're gonna guess and see if we can figure out what Dana is singing on her headphones.
I'll skip to it.
Oh, I know what song that is. See Dana way over there. See, she's way over there. She's way on the other side. We're checking out this side of the pool. Oh, she's doing the hair nails. I think she's doing the hair nails thing by Tadra Call. Were you doing Tadra Call?
Yes.
I said that on camera. I was like, I think she's doing the Tadra Call hair nails, hips, heels thing.
Okay, so now pool number 2. Well, actually hot tub. So we're now at the bamboo pool. And we're in one of the 2 hot tubs. Yeah. 2 nice big hot tubs too.
They have two hot tubs up top too.
Oh wow. Okay.
That hang on.
Off the side.
Yeah.
It's warm. I mean, that's what hot tubs are. Oh, and I had some of the children's fish sticks so that I could tell y'all about them. They're not good. They don't taste like fish. They're very mushy. I'll say that. The middle is mushy.
Middle's mushy. Kids probably don't care about that.
No, maybe not.
They're not going, oh, this is tilapia. Oh, this is
Red snapper.
red snapper in this fish stick. So now we're gonna get into the bamboo pool. Does Danny think it's gonna be cold?
Yeah, because we just got hot tub.
Okay, but let's see if it's cooler than the other pool. Oh, I'll know it. I just might get over it quickly. 4 feet 3 inches on one end, 4 feet 6 inches on the other end. So it's the shortest of the two pools so far as depth goes. And it's a smaller pool than the atmosphere pool. It's also quieter in here too. So, and the retractable roof is open. See? So that's nice. They actually have a towel exchange here. See? Towel exchange. Just come over here. I don't know where the dirty towels are supposed to go. Right here? Awesome. My man right here. Thank you so much. So you go over there and get your pool towels exchange right there. On the other cruise ship, they didn't have a pool towel exchange, so we had to drag our dirty towels back to our room. But I like that they have it there. My man right here. How you doing? Good to see. Everybody's so friendly. We checked out the atmosphere pool. We checked out the bamboo pool. Now we're gonna check out the horizon pool. Okay, y'all see that island right there? I told Dana, I said that could probably be our possible private island that we own. Because if you look at it with the buildings and stuff, it looks like it's already got a resort available, or it's almost resort ready. So that's gonna be our island right there. Not really too many people out here. So let's go test and see if this pool is warm. See what it feels like compared to the other ones. The sun's going down, so we'll see how relaxing this is. How are you? Good.
Nice weather, yeah?
Yeah, it's warmer than the other pool. That's nice. 4 feet 9 inches. It's dinner time. Let's go check out the panorama dining room. See what's for dinner. So we are at dinner. Dana did not like the dome show.
Like,
What did you say?
I said that it wasn't must-see TV. Like, it's fine if you happen to be there and you see it, but is it worth like going and, setting up a place to sit and watch it now?
She didn't like the dome show. We're gonna order our dinner. I am dying over here. Because you asked the guy if he had a children's menu, and he obviously did not understand what you were saying.
I just wanted to see if they had any other menus. For some cruise lines, they have children's menus. Sometimes they have a Indian menu or a special menu. So I wanted to know if they had any other type of menu before I ordered. And I don't think he understood what I was talking about, which makes me believe that they don't have another type of menu, or he would have heard it.
But it also looked like when you went to go place your order, he was confused about what he was supposed to write on the piece of paper.
Yeah.
So hopefully the food comes out and it's actually what we ordered.
Well, maybe nobody had ordered the Guadalupe shrimp or whatever it was, I don't know. But I mean, I just ordered what was on the menu. I didn't ask for anything special. I don't know, may not be able to understand or hear. It's loud.
It is, but he really did look confused. Like, she's ordering stuff off the menu yesterday.
Nice, because he said, well, tell me kind of what you want and I'll make some suggestions or whatever. And I was like, that's not necessary. I just wanted to know if there was another menu. That's all.
So we just came from the dining room and had our first dinner in the dining room. We would have talked about the food and everything that was going on there, but it was a little bit too loud.
Yes.
So we decided to leave, going down the hall. We're in the champagne bar, and wanted to let you guys know what we thought about dinner tonight.
So I'll start. So I started with my fish soup, and then I had the shrimp and mango salad, and then I had a cheese plate. So the fisherman's stew or fish soup, actually said fish soup with coconut. It was good. It tasted like a potato soup with some fish in it. There was no coconut to be found, and it tasted a hint of coconut.
Not a drop.
Nothing. But it was still good. Then the fish salad is really just 2 tempura fried jumbo shrimp. It wasn't really a salad. And it came with mango puree. And I'll say the mango, it wasn't sweet like I expected it to be. And I feel like it was really lost in terms of the shrimp. It wasn't necessary because, you know, the shrimp are going to be savory. They're in the tempura batter. And I think the mango just didn't stand out enough. And I tasted the sauce by itself too, because I was like, you really don't taste anything. And it just was kind of bland. But I think had it had a little sweet note to it or something, that would have helped.
But you did like the shrimp part.
But the shrimp was delicious. Yeah, the sauce just wasn't. Again, it's that thing, and we talk about this all the time about how, you know, the descriptions of the food may or may not always match what the food is. So everything I had today was good. It was. It's just, I want you to know going into it, it may not taste the way you're expecting it to taste based on the description. And then I had a cheese plate. Same cheese plate everywhere. But it had tons of grapes on it, and I'm very happy about that. And I think I forgot to take a picture of my cheese plate.
You did?
But it was good.
I forgot to take a picture of the chocolate cake I had. Oops. So I had the pork skewers, grilled pork skewers with pineapple and roasted peppers. The pork skewer was very, very tender, full of flavor. That was good, and the pineapple was well cooked. And then I had the Jamaican beef patty, which was good again, like what Dana just said, not as described. So it said it was gonna have like pineapple mango chutney, and it had like a drizzle on the outside that was like a meaty au jus. Almost tasted like coffee to me. Like, it was very savory. I was waiting for a sweet fruit note to go along with the Jamaican beef patty. I thought it was gonna be like a salsa.
Yeah.
Chunky pineapple mango salsa or something on the other side. But it was still good. And then I also had the Caribbean lamb curry. That was the chef's suggestion today. And that was good, but again, not as described. It tastes like beef stew on rice. And it said it was lamb curry with potatoes and carrots on a coconut rice. There was no coconut flavor in there at all.
So I'm gonna try the coconut gelato. Because I mean, it clearly has coconut flakes on it. And
oh, it did?
Yeah, so I
I
toasted coconut flakes, so I'll report back on that.
Okay, I enjoyed it.
I enjoyed it too, it was nice. And our waiters, whose names I did not get, they were on the thing, but they were very, very nice and very, very helpful, especially for me because I didn't order an entree, and I think they were a little worried. And they wanted to make sure, hey, you know, there's nothing wrong. But yeah, it was a very nice dining experience.
He did keep checking on you throughout the meal to make sure you were comfortable and the food tasted good to you, and it was good. So we do appreciate the politeness and caring of the staff.
All right, no early bedtime. Let's see how late we stay up.
Okay. Oh, no. Only stand up. She thought that I would be good at doing karaoke because I'm sitting over here dancing. No, thank you. You gonna get on stage? We got some loud performance happening in the middle of the promenade. Let's go see what's going on over there. Thank you so much.
So I'm here to report on the gelato. I don't know if you can tell that well. I got coconut, and I have to say the flavor is busting with coconut. It even has coconut in it, like flakes. I think it's really, really good. Corey didn't like it, But
I don't like coconut.
yeah, I was gonna say he's not a fan of coconut, but I thought it was really good. I actually wanted to try getting it in one of their chocolate covered cones, but they said they only have them in display and didn't actually have any. And it's starting to remind me of when we went to Ocean's K and they didn't have any vanilla or chocolate ice cream. All they had was key lime with Reese's cups for toppings or whatever. So we'll see if the next time we go if they have cones, because I wanted a cone. But anyway, the flavor is really good. I've never had coconut gelato before and I like it.
We bought some stuff from the chocolate bar, and then we're gonna go play the casino, I think, a little bit, and then go to the beach party. Okay, so we walked around and we saw on the map that there was a library, and it says right here, Meraviglia Library. This is supposed to be where the library is, but I think because of COVID or something, they took all the books out. But it's like, oh no, wait, there's one book here. What is this? Waking Up in Heaven by Crystal McVeigh and Alex Trasnovsky. Either somebody donated it or they left one out. Sorry for those of you who wanted to come and check out a book from the library, because I doubt that the next sailing that Waking Up from Heaven is gonna be there. Let's go see what the public bathrooms look like. Nice and clean. Oh, it's very clean in here. So as you can see, we're back in the room. Dinner was great. Entertainment around the ship was great. Casino was a little bit fun. We were only in there for about 10 minutes. Didn't win anything, of course. Then went to the beach party that was supposed to happen. It rained and it was windy outside, so they canceled it and brought it inside on the promenade on deck 6. So I went and saw that. It would have been so much better, I feel like, in a better atmosphere out on the beach. But people were out there dancing and stuff, and it was fine. But I just feel like it could have been a little bit more party atmosphere and better if it was on the beach. This guy was doing these twirling acrobatic things with these lights on, look like rubber bands. I can only imagine that looking really cool out on the beach at night, but in a well-lit area, it didn't really have the same vibe to it. So I'm gonna call it a night, and we will see you guys tomorrow. Take care. Okay, you guys, we hope you enjoyed that video. Please make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you know every time we post new videos. Have a great day.
Thanks for watching.
Bye.